What's up, guys? So one of my DS1 bulbs in my BMW went out. It was a Morimoto bulb. It turned like this pinkish color. So I was doing some research. I came across Bulb Facts, and they recommended these from Amazon actually. It's a very generic box, but they're D1S 6000K. They didn't have the 5000K, but the 6000K looked like it didn't have that much blue in it, so I think it'll be fine. But I'm gonna open them up. Here's what they look like. So pretty decent looking. So I'm gonna install these really quick, and then I'll have some night shots later on for you guys so you can see what they look like. I also want to point out that these were only $30. I was going to get the expensive Osram bulbs, which are like $250 or like $180, like somewhere around that range for D1S bulbs. The only reason why I bought these $30 ones is because Bulb Facts did like a review on them and they tested them, and these $30 ones performed basically as good as the really expensive Osram ones. So I'm going to try them out. Okay, so here's the difference between the Amazon one and the Morimoto XB. So you can't really tell in video, but the Amazon one is a lot brighter. Actually, now you can tell. So the one closest to me is the Amazon bulb, the SR or ZRSJ or whatever it's called. And then right here is the Morimoto. So the Morimoto is 2 years old, so it's it probably lost some brightness, but it's definitely a lot brighter on the right side. So pretty happy, pretty satisfied. Nice, really good budget D1S bulb, not gonna lie. So here they are, the Amazon D1S bulbs. They're really bright, they look really nice. I think they're a lot better than the Morimotos, but again, those were 2 years old, so. But it's a very crisp white light. I don't think there's any blue in these 6Ks at all. It looks pure white. Yeah, so it really illuminates the road very, very well. Looks really good. So here's what these Amazon lights look like while driving. So as you can see, these are very good quality. Nice pure white. This 6K is not blue at all, which is what I was afraid of, but it looks really good. Very happy. I think these are a lot better than the Morimotos.